Hello everyone, welcome back to Area Blog once again. So, sometimes you don't want to wait for Python to detect an error and you want to raise your own error, use your own exception. So, in this video, we'll learn how to raise exception in Python and control errors in your program, right? So, we'll create a file that is raise raise.py, right? And here we are going to see an example of raising an exception. So the question is, what is raising an exception? So raising an exception means explicitly telling Python that something went wrong. We use them to we use the raise keyword to do this. So let's see an example here. So I'll write a code that is def. I'll create a function first. Check age and we'll pass the. Now we're going to say if age is less than 18, then raise value error, right? And let's say age must be at least 18, right? At least 18. Else, so we print a message again that is access granted, right? So if user enter a value like we are going to pass some value to this function check age. If it is going to be less than 18, so it's a age must be the age must be at least 18. And if you're going to enter the value like more than 15, so it will come here. So it say for granting the access, it say we are raising an exception. We are raising our own exception here, right? So let's pass the value that is check age, and we're going to pass 17, right? So let's run it. Python, and then what we'll do, we'll type raise.py. So something we have done wrong here. Yeah, it is running and it say age must be at least 18 and it is giving an error, right? So let pass uh, 20. So it say access granted because age is greater than 18, right? That's how you can raise your own exception. You can also create your own exception class by inheriting from exception, right? You can also use range using try except with range exception. So I'll give you an assignment to write a code that using try except with range exception, right? So the question is when to use range. So whenever you want to validate input in function or classes, you can use range, right? And the second thing is whenever you want to ensure that critical condition before running a code, whenever you want to create a custom error message for better debugging, that's all where we can use a range for raising our own exception. So today we learn how to raise an exception in Python, both built-in and built-in and custom. How to cast and raising exception basically gives you more control over program flow. So if you found this video helpful, likes, subscribe for more Python tutorial and share with your friend. In the next video we'll dive into file handling in Python. So see you into the next one. Thank you.